Great shot here now if you come around to this side.
Yeah, you'll see more tomorrow, won't you?
Well, he's going at 8 in the morning. I'm going to drop him up to the airport.
Hello there, little one. Do you know what that is? Do you know what that is? It's a little camera. Say hello to the camera.
Did you get a picture of it? Were you recording?
Yeah.
Alright.
He's very interested now that there's a new toy. You can't have this toy. This is my toy.
Yeah, big smiles, no?
Come on,
Big smiles.
You're going tomorrow morning, Breen?
I am, earlier than I thought, actually. And Frank still insists on taking me up to the airport.
Yeah,
In fact, all he has to do is
yeah.
say, not at all. Sure, it's a bank holiday morning. There'll be nobody on the roads.
Cathy.
Hello.
Hello.
Look, it's Breen. Give us a smile.
A big smile. Where are all the smiles? The little smiles.
Nobody knows why the bear grows and grows. Perhaps it's the honey that
Puts in his tummy.
There you are. Those rhymes are very hard, very tricky.
It's only after she's going, Jesus, I've only woken up, leave me alone.
Hang on, let's see if we get a little smile out of you.
Yeah? Good girl. I know.
What a smile for me. What a smile for me. What a smile for me. Big smile. Big smile. Big smile. Big smile.
Oh, it's much more interesting than the camera itself.
Absolutely. Reach out now and spit on it. Go on, big spit onto the camera. Go on.
Great. It's great now, the actual photos that he got of it. You must send me this JPEG.
I will, of course. Well, it's going to be 100 megs, so I'll have to send it to you on a CD-ROM.
It's a fantastic camera.
I love this. It's extremely cheap and it does everything you want.
Wow.
It records sound as well.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hey.
So
Good girl.
2 minutes of action adventures there.
Brilliant.
So